In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get Mosaic status on JetBlue so you can enjoy perks like free baggage, priority boarding, and more. First, understand that Mosaic status is JetBlue's elite membership tier, and it's earned by flying a certain number of flights or spending a specific amount on tickets within a calendar year. The quickest way is to book and fly at least 30 one-way segments on JetBlue, or spend $15,000 in base fare and carrier charges. If you're close to either goal, consider booking multiple short flights to hit 30 segments faster. Keep an eye on your progress by logging into your TrueBlue account on JetBlue's website or app. Your Mosaic qualification status updates regularly. Another tip, JetBlue sometimes offers promotions or targeted offers to help you reach Mosaic faster. Check your email or JetBlue messages for any chances to earn bonus points or status credits. Once you hit the requirement, Mosaic benefits will activate automatically for the rest of the year plus the next. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and hacks.